Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Some companies are so vital to modern tech that without them, our digital world would grind to a halt. Behind every tech giant is a company they all depend on, ASML. ASML doesn't make chips, they make the machines that make the world's most advanced chips. Their technology is the backbone of modern computing, shaping everything from smartphones to AI. Let's dive into the story of this Dutch powerhouse, the most important company you've never heard of. ASML builds the most complex machines ever made, EUV lithography systems. Each machine contains over 100,000 parts and costs up to $200 million. These aren't just machines, they're ecosystems, assembled over months by teams of specialists. The engineering is so advanced, it makes jet engines look simple. Only a handful of companies can even afford them. This is the bleeding edge of technology. Why spend $200 million on one machine? Because you have no choice. ASML is the only company making EUV lithography systems, the key to the world's fastest, smallest chips. Every flagship smartphone, AI server, and gaming PC relies on chips born in an ASML machine. ASML began in 1984 as a tiny Dutch spin-off, working out of a leaky shed. Today, it's one of Europe's most valuable companies, based in Veldhoven. From humble beginnings, it became the epicenter of the global semiconductor industry. Its expertise turned a small Dutch town into a tech innovation hub. ASML's customers are tech giants, TSMC, Samsung, and Intel. They're the only companies making the most advanced chips, all relying on ASML's machines. Without ASML, even the biggest tech names would be left behind. The future of computing runs through this Dutch company. Shipping an EUV machine is a logistical marvel. Each machine is split into over 40 containers and flown on several cargo planes. After arrival, teams spend weeks reassembling and calibrating it in a spotless cleanroom. The process is as complex as the machine itself. Moving the future of tech is no small feat. ASML's core process is photolithography, using light to etch circuits onto silicon wafers. EUV light, with its ultra-short wavelength, lets chipmakers draw features just a few atoms wide. This leap enables chips with tens of billions of transistors. ASML didn't invent photolithography, but they perfected it. Their machines are why chips keep getting smaller and faster. ASML's technology is so critical, it's become a geopolitical asset. The US and its allies tightly control who can buy these machines, especially blocking sales to China. Decisions in Washington and The Hague can shift the balance of global tech power. It's a quiet company with outsized influence. ASML's monopoly is protected by relentless innovation and over 14,000 patents. They invest billions in R&D every year, making it nearly impossible for competitors to catch up. Their intellectual property is a fortress, keeping rivals at bay, and their dominance looks unbreakable. China's push for chip independence hits a wall. No access to ASML's EUV machines. Export bans mean Chinese companies can't make the world's most advanced chips. Despite huge investment, China remains years behind in lithography technology. For now, the most powerful chips are made elsewhere, thanks to ASML. ASML's 100% EUV market share isn't by chance. While Nikon and Canon once competed, only ASML risked developing EUV. That gamble paid off. They now stand alone as the gatekeeper to next-gen chips. The competition simply never caught up. EUV machines use mirrors so perfect a bump would be smaller than a millimeter if scaled to Germany. Made by Zeiss, these mirrors are masterpieces of precision. Any flaw would ruin the chip pattern. This perfection is essential for ASML's technology. You'll never see an ASML Inside sticker, but their impact is everywhere. They sell only to chipmakers, not consumers. Their reputation is built on engineering, not advertising. ASML is the silent giant quietly powering the devices we all use every single day. Despite being unknown to most people, ASML is now worth over $300 billion. Its value rivals the world's most famous companies. The market knows just how indispensable this Dutch tech giant truly is. Moore's law was stalling, until ASML's EUV technology revived it. Their machines let chipmakers shrink transistors further, driving exponential computing growth. ASML didn't just extend Moore's law, they gave it new life. The future of technology relies on their innovation. ASML isn't stopping. Next up is High-NA EUV, an even more advanced system for chipmaking. These machines will cost over $350 million each and push semiconductor technology to new frontiers. The first prototype is already with Intel, and ASML's lead is only growing. ASML is the unseen engine powering our digital world. From a Dutch shed to global tech leader, their story is one of vision and engineering brilliance. Next time you use your phone, remember the invisible giant behind it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories shaping our future.